Ahoy, mateys! Ready for a pirate adventure? We're hunting for the treasure of geometry.
Not gold, not gems, but shapes so neat. A circle, a square, oh, what a treat! Shapes ahead!
Land ho! A triangle island, pointy at the top.
A triangle strong, with 3 sides true. It's the first clue for me and you.
Step carefully. Every tree is a triangle too.
Count the sides. 1, 2, 3.
Triangles are easy. Just wait and see.
Look! Golden circles falling from the sky.
A circle spins, it has no end.
Circles roll, circles spin.
Whee!
4 strong sides, corners so fair, we found a chest. It's a square.
Squawk! Open it! Open it!
A square can stand, a square can stack. Open this chest, don't look back. 5 sides shining, bright as night. A pentagon star, oh, what a sight.
A pentagon's got 5, let's count together.
Beware, beware, who dares come near? I'm Rectangle Rex, the guard right here. 2 sides long, 2 sides short, a rectangle's shape, strong as a fort.
Square and rectangle, cousins they be. Both have 4 sides for all to see.
Step carefully. Each step is a different shape. Circle spins, round and round. Triangles 3 sides, firmly bound.
Square is steady, strong, and neat. 4 equal sides beneath our feet.
5 bright sides shining high. Pentagon sparkle in the sky.
We've reached the Stargate. Open the way. No gold, no silver, but knowledge grand. The shapes are treasures everywhere we look.
Triangles sail us across the sea.
Circles keep our ship moving free.
Square crates stack high. 1, 2, 3. Strong and steady as can be.
The treasure is learning. Shapes are everywhere. Even sea creatures are made of shapes.
Circle, square, triangle, 2. Shapes are treasures for me and you.
Hooray! The treasure of geometry is ours.
Squawk!
Remember, kids, shapes are everywhere.
Yo ho ho, the treasure we share. Shapes are magic, found everywhere.